Think you need a pile of cash to start investing in real estate? Think again. With the right strategies, you can get started in real estate investing even if you don't have money for a down payment. In this video, I'll show you how to make it happen step by step. Let's dive in. One of the best ways to start investing with no down payment is through partnerships. Find someone who has the money but not the time or expertise to invest. You can offer your skills, knowledge, or effort in exchange for equity in the deal. For example, you could handle property management, renovations, or finding good deals while your partner provides the funding. It's a win-win. Another option is seller financing. In this setup, the property owner acts as the lender, allowing you to pay them directly over time instead of taking out a traditional mortgage. This is especially common with motivated sellers who want to offload a property quickly. You can negotiate terms like a low or no down payment, making it easier to get started. House hacking is a fantastic strategy if you're open to living in your investment property. Buy a multi-unit property, like a duplex or triplex, and live in one unit while renting out the others. The rental income can cover your mortgage, and if you qualify for an FHA loan, you may need as little as 3.5% down, or even get assistance to cover that. Lease options, also known as rent-to-own agreements, are another great way to get into real estate without a large upfront cost. You agree to rent a property with the option to buy it later. A portion of your rent payments can go toward the purchase price, allowing you to build equity over time. Bird dogging is a lesser-known but effective strategy. In this role, you find great deals for experienced investors in exchange for a finder's fee. While this doesn't give you ownership right away, it allows you to build connections, learn the ropes, and save up for your own investments. If you want to invest without owning property directly, consider real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest small amounts of money into large real estate projects. While you might not own the property outright, you can earn returns similar to traditional investments without needing a down payment. Wholesaling is another powerful way to break into real estate. Here, you find distressed properties, negotiate a contract with the seller, and then assign that contract to a buyer for a fee. You don't need to purchase the property yourself, making it a low-cost entry point into real estate investing. Creative financing methods like taking over someone's mortgage through subject to deals can also work. This involves taking over the seller's existing loan payments while assuming ownership of the property. It's a unique strategy that requires careful legal structuring but can be highly effective. Networking is crucial. Join real estate investment groups, attend meetups, or connect with investors online. The more people you meet, the more likely you are to find opportunities, mentors, or partners who can help you invest with little or no money down. Finally, focus on building your credit. While you might not have a down payment now, improving your credit score can qualify you for better financing options, lower interest rates, and creative loan programs that require little to no money up front. Getting into real estate without a down payment isn't just possible, it's practical with the right approach. Whether you partner with others, explore creative financing, or start small with strategies like bird dogging or wholesaling, there's a path for you. If this video inspired you, Give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and share it with someone ready to start their real estate journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.